Run here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually put Microsoft Teams right here on our desktop. It's already downloaded on this computer, but if you notice, you haven't seen it right here. So what you wanted to do is come right down at the startup menu. You're going to click, you're going to come all the way here. You notice this itself, you can scroll bar right here. So you're going to scroll up, that you can actually see Microsoft Teams. You want it directly on the desktop. If you notice, this itself is Microsoft Teams right here, and it's not on desktop. But if you want it on desktop, you want to right click on it. When you right click on it, these are what you see going to come up: quit, sign out, settings available. So you want to come right over here and say more. You notice it's a pin to taskbar, which means you can actually pin it on here. Right, it's a run out administration, but what I wanted to do is open the file location. So I'm going to click on that. And when I click on that, you notice this is what comes up. So this is if I'm going to put the cursor on it, along the left side of the mouse, I'm going to drag it off like that. And when I finish, I can actually close it. So if you notice, definitely I have it right here on my desktop, just like that. So if in case you download something and you don't see it on the desktop, just simply come right here and menu on the search feature right here. Right, it's very important. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. Thanks for watching.